Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Jillian Cole. I am a functional skincare expert, and today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful skin smoothie using the best ingredients. So what you need is a 1/4 cup of frozen cherries, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 1 scoop of a vegan protein powder, 2 teaspoons of matcha, organic matcha, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, a generous handful of baby kale, which is about 2 cups, 1 cup of unsweetened soy milk, and then finally 1 tablespoon of Ben's Collagen Plus cofactors. Have it, a powerful yet easy to create skin smoothie that helps you create beautiful skin from the inside out. If you want more smoothie recipes like this, you can head on over to my website, jilliancoleND.com.